and welcome back to the CAD Spec YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing an install video for FeatureCAM. Now my name's Laura from the customer success team. I'm going to take you through this step by step. Let's get to it. Alrighty then, let's get going. So first things first, you'll want to log in with your email address and password. And this of course will take you to your home page. So first things first, we're going to go over to all products and services. And of course, you'll have FeatureCAM already assigned to you. So let's have a little search up there in the search box. You're going to find him. And we're not going to install today. We're going to download. This is quite useful if you haven't got the best internet connection. This is what we're going to do today. So we're going to hit download. Okay, so this will give us our executable file up here in our download history. Of course, you can get that in your download. Okay, amazing. The installer's now been created. So of course, it'll give you a couple of options here. You can stop at this point if you want to, and then open that in the folder, but we are going to run the installer immediately. So we want to install it here. And then we'll start preparing for installation. Okay, amazing. So of course, we've got our license services agreement. We're going to agree to terms of use and hit next. It's going to let us know of any updates they're going to be installing with our FeatureCAM as well, and hit next. This, of course, is where we choose to install. You can choose the location that you wish. I'm happy with that. Let's hit next. We're not going to select any additional components today. Let's just hit install. There we go. It's all finalizing. Fantastic. Install and update complete. Let's hit start. There we go. So of course it's going to pop up with our sign in with your Autodesk ID, which is most likely the option you're going to want to go for. Which we're going to do. It's going to take you back to a browser window usually, where if you need to, you can pop your login details in again, but I'm already signed in. So I'm going to go to product. And that's fine, just hit OK for that. Okay, so it's popped up with a tool and material setup here. It's asking where our database is located. So for me, it's on my local computer, but you've got options to access that over a network or SQL server. So I'm just going to hit next. And it's asking if you can import tools from an existing tooling database. Do we have tools we'd like to import? I'm going to go no in this occasion, but you can do. Okay, and there's some more details here you can import. Let's have a look. I'm going to go no for that one. You need to set this up however you wish. Choose type of tooling to be used. I'm going to go metric for this one. And you've selected following database just to confirm, and I'm going to hit finish, and that should set everything up for us in the background and open up FeatureCAM. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of ways you can customize this, but for the sake of the video, we're keeping that short and sweet. So on that note, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, to like, to share to anyone this might be useful to, and I'll see you in the next video.